Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a username for your Facebook page on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create a page for your Facebook page, let's open up our Facebook app first. Here's our Facebook. After opening the Facebook account, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three line icon, and after that you can see the pages option available over here just beside the find friends option. Tap on pages, and after that you will find all of your pages over here. Tap on which one do you want to create a username for. Let's tap on Tutorial Guru, and after that when you get here you can see, or you will find the edit page option available over here on the middle left side of your screen just below the create auction button. Tap on edit, and after that, after landing on this interface, you can see the page header option available over here. Tap on page header, and when we get here again tap on your username, and when we get here again tap on your username. You can see the create page username over here. Tap on there, and after that you will be landed on this interface where you will be able to create a username for your page. Now choose a matching one with your Facebook page. For me it will be this one. And after creating your page username successfully like this, and you can see the create username option available over here. Tap on create username, and after the loading has finished you can see your username has been assigned just below the page name. And there guys, this is how you create a username for your Facebook page on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.